Hello everyone, my name is Rani. So today I am going to give presentation on a paradigm shift for the CAPTCHA race, adding uncertainty to the process. So everyone have known what is meant by CAPTCHA. So it is like a small test for providing your information. Before providing your information, it tests whether uh, you are human or not, or other person, if any third party is using your account and if he is using your data, that can be reduced that can be reduced. Let's see the introduction. CAPTCHA, a necessary evil in the digital world. So, in the small application, it is included in the small to small applications also to provide the authority and authenticity. The need for a paradigm shift in capture technology, introducing uncertainty as a solution. So let's see what from the scratch we will going to see what is meant by CAPTCHA and what are the benefits it is having, what are the drawbacks it is having, how we are going to handle that. So these all the things I am going to discuss in this topic. CAPTCHA. What is the abbreviation of CAPTCHA? In the sense, completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. So it easily recognizes that who are the humans and who are the computers, and it is going to recognize by using the CAPTCHA. Designed to differentiate between humans and bots. The main aim of this CAPTCHA is that to differentiate between the humans and bots, commonly used to prevent spam and unauthorized access, as I said before. Current capture challenges. So as technology is evolving, there are more and more technologies coming, there are more and more hackers are also coming. So we are going to see what are the modern capture is having when compared to the older capture. Traditional capture challenges are becoming easier for bots to solve. So as we know nowadays, it is like artificial intelligence, like AI's worlds, that everything is done using AIs. So it is easy for bots to solve the capture. Bots are evolving and becoming more sophisticated, and we need to enhance the capture process to stay ahead of bots. So we need to give some new challenges for the capture and the user to differentiate between the bots and the humans. The paradigm shift, adding uncertainty to the capture process. So it has been observed that adding uncertainty to the capture would solve this problem for differentiating the human and the bots. Let's see how. Introducing dynamic and unpredictable elements. So capture, in this sense, we are going to give puzzles, or we are going to give like matching things, matching hands in such a way. Increasing the complexity for bots and providing better security. So to provide the security, to provide the authorized user, we are uh, we are going to increase the complexity for bots. Types of uncertainty. What are the types of uncertainty? Randomizing the order of capture tasks, introducing time-based challenges, and utilizing multi-step verification process. So what are the types of uncertainty? Randomizing the order, introducing the time-based challenges, and utilizing multi-step verification process. Let's see the one by one. First one is randomizing the capture task, presenting capture task in a random order. So it is if we provide the capture in the random order, the bot cannot easily identify it, right? From where we have been taken, from where it gets hints. So it doesn't do that. So it is not going to, if bot uh, is not going to recognize it. Bots will struggle to predict the next task. So it is somewhat tough challenges to the bots to recognize, to predict the next task. Increases the difficulty level and reduces predictability. So this randomizing the order and the CAPTCHA will increase the difficulty level and reduces the predictability of the bots. Time based challenges. So the next method is time based challenges, introducing time limits for solving CAPTCHA challenges. So as we observed in the nowadays, like if any website or account, they're going to introduce the time seconds for they are going to provide a they're going to send a secret code to your phone or the email, and they are going to write down that 10 seconds is provided to write the code, to write the security code, right? So that is the time based challenge. Bots will have limited time to complete tasks. Forces bots to rush and make mistakes, while humans can take their time. So this is the main uh, challenge which is faced by the bots, that it can rush. So because it is having the time constant, right? So that it can make mistakes, while humans can take their time. So the third process is multi-step verification, making CAPTCHA a multi-step process. Boards will have to navigate through multiple layers of verification. So this could take a more time and more uh, energy, increases the effort and complexity for boards to bypass CAPTCHA. So this increases the complexity of the bots, and they cannot be able to predict the CAPTCHA. Balancing user experience. Ensuring the added uncertainty does not negatively impact user experience. So it does not impact any user experience. User cannot find the difficult in doing the time constant, or in doing the multi-step verification, or in randomizing the any of order of the CAPTCHA. Designing user-friendly interfaces for new CAPTCHA methods. So it should provide the user-friendly interfaces, striving for a seamless and efficient user verification process. Benefits of uncertainty. Let's see what are the main benefits of the uncertainty. Enhanced security against bots and automated attacks, reduces the success rate of bot driven activities, and provides a more reliable and accurate verification process. Implementation challenges. So what are the challenges we are going to face when developing these three types of CAPTCHA? Developing new CAPTCHA algorithms and technologies, ensuring compatibility across different platforms and devices. While we provide the different methodologies for developing the CAPTCHA, it may be difficult to compatibility of the particular device or machines. So that should be taken into the order before implementing the any of the CAPTCHA. Advocate testing and fine tuning to ensure effectiveness. So before we are going to use the CAPTCHA, we need to test it, and we need to see the performance of it, and we need to see the this bot is going to predict it or not. User education and adoption. Educating users about the importance of CAPTCHA and its evolution, providing clear instructions on how to complete uncertain CAPTCHA challenges. So there will be given some instruction before after the CAPTCHA, that these are the things you need to take care of it, and these are the time constants you have, and this all thing will be mentioned below the CAPTCHA. Should be mentioned below the CAPTCHA. Encouraging user feedback and addressing concerns. So feedback is the most important thing in any of the applications. So feedback gives you the drawbacks where you have failed. So feedback is most important. Next, industry collaboration. Let's see what may be the industry collaboration with the CAPTCHA. Collaborating with technology companies, security experts, and researchers. Sharing knowledge and best practices for CAPTCHA advancements. So sharing knowledge would be the best practice for CAPTCHA advancements. Ensuring consistency and standardization across different platforms. So to maintain the consistency would also the main key role, I would say, and standardization. So it provides its effective behavior functions would also be the most important. And what are the potential drawbacks? Let's see. Increased time complexity may frustrate some users. Yes, so we have kept the time constant, right? The time constraint would come into the second process, right? So some users may can get difficult because time constraint is there. Potential false for positives and false negatives in the verification process. So there could be a false and right answers would be there, so that can be irritate some of the users. Balancing security and usability is a constant challenge. So CAPTCHA should provide the security and also it should have the usability. So that is the major challenge which is faced by the CAPTCHA. So let's see a small case study. Examples of successful implementation of uncertain CAPTCHA, highlighting the effectiveness of uncertainty in preventing bot attacks. Highlighting the effectiveness of uncertainty in preventing bot attacks, showcasing improved user experience and security. So this could help the CAPTCHA to advancement in it and to take and come new features in it. So what are the future developments of CAPTCHA? Continuous research and development in CAPTCHA technology. So there will be always a continuous research in the CAPTCHA technology. So to prevent the bots, see, when the technology increase, the AI also increase. When AI increase, the security problems will also increase. So to avoid those security problems, we are going to advance in the CAPTCHA technology. AI powered CAPTCHA solutions for adaptive and intelligent challenges. So this AI powered CAPTCHA solutions could give a more and accurate good technologies for preventing them. Integration with emerging technologies like biometrics and behavioral analysis. So like biometric and behavioral analysis would be the great if we use as CAPTCHA, but with emerging technologies. So these are like emerging technologies. Uh, these are this provides some more security than CAPTCHA. So I am going to conclude this topic by the need for the paradigm shift in CAPTCHA technology. I have discussed what is the need of CAPTCHA technology, and uncertainty as a key element in enhancing security and user experience. Collaboration, innovation, and user education are crucial for the success. So thank you.